To create your first case study for a UI design, you can follow these steps. 1. Define the problem. Start by clearly defining the problem or challenge you are trying to address with your UI design. Understand the goals, target audience, and any specific requirements or constraints. 2. Research and gather information. Conduct research to gather relevant information about the problem domain, users, competitors, and industry trends. This will help you gain insights and inform your design decisions. 3. User personas. Create user personas based on your research to represent the target audience. User personas are fictional characters that embody the characteristics, needs, and goals of your typical users. They help you empathize with your users and design with their needs in mind. 4. User flows and scenarios. Map out user flows and scenarios to understand how users will interact with your interface. Identify key tasks and actions users will perform and create user flow diagrams or storyboards to visualize their journey. 5. Wireframing. Start creating wireframes, which are low-fidelity representations of your interface. Use simple shapes and placeholders to outline the structure, layout, and content placement. Focus on the core functionality and user interactions without worrying about visual details. 6. Visual design. Once the wireframes are complete and approved, move on to the visual design stage. Apply colors, typography, and visual elements to bring your interface to life. Create high-fidelity mockups or prototypes using design tools like Sketch, Figma, or Adobe XD. 7. Interaction design. Define and design the interactions and animations within your interface. Consider how users will navigate, interact with elements, and provide feedback. Use prototyping tools to create interactive prototypes to test and validate your design decisions. 8. Usability testing. Conduct usability testing with real users to gather feedback and identify areas for improvement. Observe how users interact with your interface, collect their feedback, and iterate on your design based on their insights. 9. Document your process. Document the entire design process, including your research, design decisions, iterations, and the final design. Explain the rationale behind your choices and showcase the impact of your design on the problem you initially identified. 10. Present your case study. Prepare a visually appealing and concise case study presentation that effectively communicates your design process, insights, and outcomes. Highlight the problem you solved, your design approach, and the positive impact on users or the business. Remember, every case study is unique, and you can tailor these steps to fit your specific project and goals. It's important to focus on the problem-solving aspect of your design process and showcase your critical thinking, creativity, and user-centered approach. Thanks for watching.